No, no, yeah.
Hey, my rockers, welcome to another Study With Me video where you don't just watch me study, but we study together. So in this video, we'll be studying light-dependent reactions, photophosphorylation. Now, photo meaning light, and phosphorylation is the addition of a phosphate group. All right, so you ready? Let's study. So we have our light energy here that goes into the chlorophyll. Now, what organisms contain chlorophyll A? Well, we have green plants, algae, and cyanobacteria. Next, we have electron transport chain, ETC. Now, ETC is a series of redox reactions that involve electron carriers. Now, these electron carriers are NADH, FADH, and specifically NADPH. Now, these molecules or electron carriers lose their electrons, so electrons are lost. Protons are also lost, giving us NADP+. Also, it happens that in the ETC, water is involved, and this gives us free electrons and hydrogens and our oxygen. Now, the hydrogens and the protons leave the cell, and we have a high concentration of protons outside of the cell. Now, this protein that's embedded in the plasma membrane, ATP synthase, pumps the protons through the cell. And here we have our proton. Through this process, chemiosmosis occurs. This is the synthesis of ATP. So we have in the cell ADP and we have our phosphate group. They come together to make ATP. And this is where we get our energy and our oxygen from plants. So do you think you know your light-dependent reaction, photophosphorylation? All right, let's see. So here we start off with our sun. The light energy goes to chlorophyll A. Now, what organisms have chlorophyll A? Fill in the blank. Next, we have a series of redox reactions and electron carriers. What are the electron carriers in the electron transport chain? End result, what happens to the electron carriers? Here outside of the cell, is there a high concentration of protons or a low concentration of protons? Now these protons then enter, what is this protein? Fill in the blank. And what do we have on the other side of this protein? Now through this process, ATP is made. So what is the name of this process? and this is light-dependent reaction. Are you looking for this worksheet for this video? Well, look in the description box below and you'll find micro newsletters. Subscribe to it so that you get notifications of upcoming videos that I have out, and the worksheets that go with it, so you will not be lacking in micro study material. So feel free to join my rockers.